Hey everyone, so I did the big chop not long ago and I basically am just ready to put my hair up for a couple weeks so I can get my hands out of my hair all the time. This isn't a tutorial, but I'm basically just showing you what I'm doing to my hair. I'm basically going to be doing some two-strand twists, and my hair isn't quite long enough for me to grip it the way I would like to, so I'm going to use the rubber band method in order to secure the twist. So I'm going to use the rubber band and then I'm going to crochet the hair through and basically just twist all of my hair. So I'm just going to let you guys watch and see what I do. And if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know down below and I will chime back in towards the end. Alright you guys, so this is pretty much the final look right here. It took me about 2 to 3 days because I basically just took my time, looked at Netflix. I wasn't in a hurry. And I actually left these in for about 2 weeks. So I did them short so it could be lightweight, it's cool, and not heavy on my head at all. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below, and if you have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.